There is a tool which can find data, analyze data, visualize data, and summarize data. It also looks like a typical chatbot. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. This is Wand AI. It is a smart business assistant. To get here, search as Wand AI in the Google and you can find it. To use it, you have to sign up. You can sign up for free using Google account. Then here, enter a name for your organization as you wished. Then click continue and it will navigate to the chatbot. It shows brief explanation. You can upload your files, connect your SaaS apps, and even you can add websites that you want to learn. First of all, go to settings and make sure to enable web search. Then it can provide answers by search web. Here you can see your details. This is chat history. Then from this manage source, you can add data source that you wish to analyze. Here you can add website. Just paste the URL here. Now let's see how Wand responds. Click the upload icon next to the input box and select the file you wish to upload. This is a CSV file that contains resume data. Wand will confirm once the file is successfully uploaded and ready for the analysis. Now ask to analyze it. Then it will take some time and analyze our data. I also asked to visualize data, but it encounters some error while trying to visualize our data. So ask it again to visualize data. Okay, fine, then it visualizes our data, not problem. Now I ask to generate the report. It tells that it can generate reports. Let's see. When try to generate report, but it seems like there is an error. We go to our visualization. You can see here it plots the graph by using Python code for data visualization. I ask to generate report, but it gives only the content of the report. But it mentioned that it can generate report in PDF format. I don't know why, maybe it because of my network connection or high traffic. It can send the visualization or report to our email. So I asked to send our visualization to my email. Then it asked for my email. I gave the email. This is the email that I used to sign up. Actually, I don't know whether it can identify or not my email from the login details. Okay, let's see. Let's see, when has sent the mail. You can download visualization from here. Okay, from here now we go to the new chat. Wand can act as a normal chat box just like ChatGPT or Gemini. Let's see how it responds to our normal question. I ask for roadmap for Java backend. Let's see the response of the Vandy. Okay, it is generating quite good response. Okay, it's pretty good, just like ChatGPT and Gemini. Also, you can upload a PDF and summarize or extract data from that PDF. So let's try it. Just upload it as previous. Ask anything you need. I asked to summarize this report. Just like Perplexity, Wand also can summarize and extract data from the report. So this is very good tool for researchers. Also, it can describe images, tables and graphs in the PDF. Let's see how it works. Ask to describe images, tables and graphs in the PDF. Actually here I speed up the video. Wand is slow related to ChatGPT or Gemini response speed. I don't know why, whether it my network connection or maybe Wand can't manage high traffic. Okay, pretty good. You can see the summarized explanation. From these saved Wendy's, you can create own thread for you. This is one that I have created previously. Create new Wendy, give a name. I give my app 1. I leave description. You can give permission who can access this app within your organization. This is actually for organization used to separate your works. Let's test the app with some prompt. Okay, looks good. I use free plan. You can see subscription from here. In free plan, you only can 50 prompts to try. If you want to more, you can just sign up with more emails. So this is a great tool for business. If you own a small business, it is better to buy this subscription.